Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Seher. I just wanted to talk to you guys about a planner that I purchased. And before this video, I made a video on how to get this simple, easy, everyday kind of a makeup look. So if you guys haven't checked that out, I will link it in here so you can check that out. So New Year's is just a regular day for us, and we as such don't celebrate it, but we do exchange gifts. Back in 2021, it sounds so ancient, yeah, but in 2021 my husband was looking for a diary. He is kind of a planner, a person who sets targets and goals and tries to achieve them, and he loves doing that. So this was the first time he was looking for a sort of a diary where he can note down his tasks for every day in his work and all of that. So I took it upon myself to find a planner for him, and I scored pages and pages on YouTube to find a planner. Now let me tell you why. Because one thing is that there are a lot of planners, from Alicia Souza to a lot of them have planners, but most of them are intended for the women and female population. So it was kind of difficult for me to find a planner which was much suitable for a man. So I scoured pages, and I came across this one, Write Your Own Story planner from Charpai, right? So there were two options that I had shortlisted, and I chose this one. I will tell you in a minute why I chose this one, but let me tell you this much, that this is a very budget friendly planner. So if you're looking for any planners to give to your male friends, boyfriends, husband, brother, father, or just for yourself, this is a very good planner, I can tell you that much in a short gist. But let's talk about the price of it and everything else. So let's get started. So before we open the planner and I'll show you through the pages, let me just tell you the planner costs you at around 849 rupees. Now the prices have bumped up to 899, but when I bought it, it was 849. And when you check out, there's 100 rupees shipping charges, which I was furious about because I was ready to pay another planner that I had shortlisted. I was ready to pay 1000 rupees for that, but only because there were shipping charges on these. But then I just decided to go for this because it was much simpler than the other one. So the only feedback that I would like to give for Charpa is, why add that 100 rupees? You can just add it in the total cost of the planner and just charge the planner at 949 or 999 rupees. It doesn't make difference, and the customers out there don't have to know the shipping charges and all of that, and you can just charge it. That was only feedback for that I felt that I should be giving for this planner. So this is an A5 size planner, so it's very handy dandy. So if you, in case you're traveling, you can always put it in your bag or take it along wherever you're traveling. So it's very handy. And what I noticed was that this planner is black and white, and this is how the first page of it looks like. So the GSM of the pages is 120. If you use a marker to highlight anything, or a sketch pen to kind of make a special note or anything, that will not bleed onto the paper. So that's the plus point of that. And apart from this, they have monthly grids and everything. I just want to mention that this planner doesn't come with any box or any stickers. You just get the planner as such, and I bought it from their website, and I'm not sure if it is available on Amazon, but it doesn't matter. You can buy from the website. The shipping and everything is hassle free. I didn't have any problems with it. So that's that. And after the first page, which you guys saw, you directed to 2021 review, and the next page will be story of 2022. So my husband has already started writing here, so I cannot show you what he has written, but this is how it will look like. Since my husband has already made notes in January, I will show you the page of February. These are the monthly grids that you get, along with a column over here where you get the notes section. So these are evenly spaced. Very simple and no bullshit kind of a planner. So if you are a first timer, this will be really helpful for you, as it will not be overwhelming with a lot of things. So yeah, that was the one more reason why I picked this one out. After the monthly grids, you're taken to the page where you can note down birthdays for entire 2022. Again, this is really helpful for people like me and my husband who tend to forget birthdays of other people, or special days or anniversaries. So that is another plus point in this. Okay, so then you are taken to the page where you are taken to your yearly goals over here, and got quite a lot of space for it. So you have goals and tasks to achieve, and then you've also got, what is that, you've got life events and investments. So that's that. So you have enough ample space to jot your entire thing that you want to achieve in the year 2022. Next page, where the ambitions are mentioned, desires, places to visit is also mentioned, which is really cute and nice. And then there's also separate column here for self-care and must do, which is again really great and simple. It is very easy so to mention that down. And then we come to the page where it is a month to a view. So you get all the dates of the month, where you can note down anything that you have to do. So then there is another page over here where you can mention major goals, to-do list and everything. So it is detailed but not confusing. So that is what I really love about this. So after that, you are followed by this self quote kind of a page. What I didn't like, other thing that I didn't like, was the pages have creases over here. So on some months, there are creases that were there, and my husband was like, it's okay, I don't want to return. So I was fine with it, but if it were me, I would have definitely exchanged it. That's another thing. But it's got a quote and everything. You are followed by this page. So if you are someone who likes to write down something that you did that day, or how your day was, like how you do in a diary, you can do that. In the end, this is the page that you get, and in the page you have year in review. So it has reflecting on 2022, and it has got couple of questions where you can jot down an overall summary of how your year went by. And that's really nice, and that's how the planner ends. Quick rundown of the planner, in case you were looking to purchase this one. I will definitely give a big thumbs up, and it's a no bullshit calendar. As I said to you, it's very simple, it's got a lot of space to write down things. Definitely recommend this one for you. As such, I don't have any cons, except that I felt there should be a little bit more quality check in terms of the page, certain code pages have come folded, but apart from this, has got basic black and white thing, and there are, I think, three or four other sleeves that you can choose from, and I went for this. So I went for write your own story. There was another one which said organized chaos and all of that, so I went for this one, which I thought it spoke to my husband a lot. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if in case you purchase this planner or already have purchased it, then let me know your thoughts about this planner. And also let me know if you are a person who loves planning things and loves making to-do lists and goals and tasks. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.